Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best clarinet swab is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any clarinet player, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your musical journey. Keeping your instrument clean and well-maintained is crucial for its longevity and optimal performance, and a high-quality swab plays a vital role in this process by effectively removing moisture and residue from the inside of your clarinet after each use, preventing potential damage and ensuring a pristine sound. Number 5. Yinder 8 Clarinet Swab Cloth. Get a set of 8 purple cleaning cloths, perfect for keeping your instruments in top condition. With this ample supply, you'll always have one ready when you need it. Crafted from quality synthetic chamois, these cloths are incredibly soft and absorbent. They effectively soak up water and grease without leaving any fluff behind, ensuring a gentle clean. Each cloth features a thoughtful A-shaped design, measuring approximately 12.4 by 6.5 inches. This allows for a thorough clean, both inside and out, making maintenance a breeze. These cleaning cloths aren't just for clarinets. They are also ideal for saxophones, piccolos, and flutes. Keep the inner tubes of various instruments free from dirt and maintain their beautiful sound. Looking for a practical gift for a musician? These cleaning cloths are a wonderful choice for friends, family, or classmates who play instruments. Show them you care with this thoughtful present. Their compact and portable design makes them easy to carry wherever you go. You can conveniently store them and take them along for practice or performances. What we like. You will receive 8 pieces of cleaning cloths in this package. They are made of quality synthetic chamois, which is soft and absorbent. If you are looking for a cost-effective option with plenty of swabs for regular cleaning, this is a great choice. What people say. The swab is made of silk, which is a soft and absorbent material. It is designed to clean the inside of the clarinet, removing moisture and debris. The swab is effective at reaching all parts of the instrument, ensuring a thorough cleaning. Number 4. Hodge Silk Clarinet Swab, Burgundy. Introducing the Hodge Silk Clarinet Swab in Burgundy. Crafted for superior instrument care. This accessory is specifically designed to keep your clarinet in top condition. Its fine silk material ensures effective cleaning. Measuring just under 10 centimeters in length and width, it's incredibly compact. Its minimal height makes it easy to store. Proudly made in the United States, you can trust in its quality craftsmanship. It weighs only 1 pound. Keep your instrument performing at its best with this essential part. It's a must-have for any clarinet player. What we like. This swab is made of pure silk and comes in a rich burgundy color. If you prefer a luxurious feel and a classic aesthetic for your instrument care, this is the one to consider. What people say. The swab is designed to clean the inside of the clarinet. It effectively removes moisture and debris from the instrument. The silk material is gentle on the clarinet's finish. Number 3. Hodge Silk Clarinet Swab, Purple. Introducing the Hodge Silk Clarinet Swab, crafted from 100% pure silk. Its exceptional absorbency ensures your instrument stays dry and clean. Designed for a pristine finish, this swab is completely lint-free. You can rely on it to leave no residue behind. Its compressible nature allows for easy maneuverability inside your clarinet. Maintaining your instrument has never been simpler. The pure silk material is gentle on your clarinet's delicate parts. It provides effective cleaning without causing any damage. This model comes in a stylish purple color, adding a touch of flair to your cleaning routine. It's as beautiful as it is functional. What we like. Crafted from 100% pure silk, this swab is highly absorbent and leaves no lint behind. If you prioritize a pristine clean and want to protect your instrument from any residue, this is an excellent option. What people say. This swab is very effective at cleaning the bore of the clarinet. The silk material is gentle on the instrument and does not leave any lint behind. It is also very absorbent and quickly dries out the inside of the clarinet. Number 2. Cecilio Clarinet Care and Maintenance Kit. Keep your instrument in top condition with this comprehensive care kit. It includes everything you need for thorough, professional-grade maintenance. Safeguard its performance and durability with regular use. This essential cleaning kit helps prolong your clarinet's lifespan. It's an ideal present for any clarinet player, student, or teacher. A thoughtful and practical gift for any occasion. These premium tools are designed for effective care on all models. The durable brushes and gentle cloth ensure a thorough clean. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to store in your case. You can perform quick cleanups anywhere, anytime. What we like. This is a complete all-in-one clarinet maintenance kit. It includes a Henke swab, mouthpiece brush, polishing cloth, key brush, and cork grease. If you are a musician who needs a comprehensive set of tools for thorough instrument care on the go, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The swab is very effective at cleaning the clarinet. It is made of soft silk material that does not scratch the instrument. The swab is designed to reach all parts of the clarinet, including the tone holes. Number 1. Hodge Silk Oboe Swab, Deep Purple. Introducing the Hodge Silk Oboe Swab in Deep Purple. This innovative swab is designed to clean your entire instrument thoroughly, even when fully assembled. It features a safety cord on the back end. This ensures that if the swab ever gets stuck, you can easily pull it back out the way it went in. We've updated the design with a straight weight instead of a ball chain. This provides a smoother and more reliable cleaning experience. This particular model comes in a beautiful deep purple color. It adds a touch of style to your instrument care routine. Keep your oboe in pristine condition with this essential accessory. Its thoughtful design makes cleaning simple and effective. What we like. This swab is designed to clean the entire instrument while it's fully assembled. It also features a safety cord for easy retrieval if it gets stuck. If you are looking for a convenient and secure way to clean your oboe without disassembling it, this swab is ideal. What people say. This swab is made of silk, which is a soft and absorbent material that is gentle on the clarinet. The swab is designed to effectively clean the inside of the clarinet, removing moisture and debris. The silk material allows for easy gliding through the instrument, ensuring a thorough cleaning without snagging. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.